everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how you can do an at-home professional facial using your O Cosmetics prescription kit. So firstly, let's do a little bit of an unboxing and show you what you're going to receive in your facial kit. So you are going to receive a O Cosmetics makeup bag, and this will hold all your little goodies for your at-home facial. So you are going to receive 4 of your trial products. Firstly, you're going to receive your gentle antioxidant cleanser in a 15ml. You're also going to receive your exfoliating cleanser. So this is your jojoba beads and cranberry, also in a 15ml. Your Pure Age serum, this is a 10ml. And your Immortal Day and Night Cream, a 15ml. So those ones will last you between 2 and 4 weeks, depending on which ones they are. So serums and exfoliators always last that little bit longer because you're only using exfoliators once a week to 2 times a week, and your serums you're only using morning or night, and you use a tiny little bit of it as well. You're also going to receive your headband and all your consumables for your at-home facial. So firstly, let's put on our headband. So this is just going to keep all your hair out of the way, but they also look super cool as well. Make sure to have your cup of tea ready to go for when you pop on your mask, so you can just sit and relax. So let's begin. So step 1, you're always going to be removing your makeup, the debris of the day, and any pollution that's on your skin. So your first step is your gentle antioxidant cleanser. So for the purpose of the video, I am going to be using the professional sizes of each product, just so that we're not using the little sample ones from the kit. So just a tiny pea size of your gentle antioxidant cleanser. And you're going to be using a little bit of water. So you can do this step in the shower if you prefer, otherwise you can set up for a facial just with a bowl of water. So just little bits of water, and you're wanting to foam it up. So this is foaming up due to the coconut in the cleanser, so it smells absolutely divine with vanilla and the coconut scent. Be quite vigorous with it, get it all to foam up. And then you're going to be applying straight to the face and massaging all over. So let's do that. Make sure to get right in all the creases, all around your eyes. If you've got eye makeup on, you can massage into the eyes to get that off. Just make sure that you're not getting mascara in your eye. So slow each movement right down, so you can just take a minute for yourself, relax and enjoy the process. So you can do some really lovely massage movements. Go around the eyes, using a little bit of pressure as well around the eyes to drain any toxins away from the eye area. You can use a little bit of water just to keep it nice and wet and slippery. And that's going to remove all your makeup. And then we're going to remove with your facial wipe. So just drain a lot of the water off your facial wipe so they're not dripping wet. And then just wiping over the skin. Make sure to get right behind the ears as well, just to remove all of that makeup, and also into the hairline. Could even get hubby involved and get him to do the facial for you, and you can give him one. And that way it's just super relaxing. make sure to get right in underneath the eyes to remove that eye makeup. And that is your first cleanse. So we're going to go in and do your second cleanse now. So we always say that the first cleanse is removing that first initial makeup and pollution and dirt and debris from the day. Your second application of your cleanser is always about the hydration and just removing that residue as well that's left on the skin. So you always want the two cleansers. So we're going to go in again and do that one. So you just need like half the amount that you had with your first cleanse. Foam it up like we did the first time. For an even more relaxing treatment, you can get a warm washcloth. You can just use warm water, or you can pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And you can pop that over the skin for a steam effect. So that's going to open the pores and remove even more dirt and debris, but it's also really relaxing. So that is step one of your at-home facial routine, your cleansing with your gentle antioxidant cleanser. The second step in your routine is exfoliation. So today we're going to be using your exfoliating cleanser with your jojoba beads and cranberry. So this one smells absolutely beautiful with the cranberry and the jojoba in there. You will be able to feel a little bit of the grittiness on the skin as well as it's exfoliating. So just a pea size of this one as well. Little bit of water on your fingertips, and then just over the top of the hands and then straight on to the skin. So you can use some circular motions for this application. This is a great time to be using your steam towel over your skin, but if you don't want to have one available, you can just use your facial wipes like we're doing today. Our next step, which is step 3 of your application at home, is your mask. So in your kits you will receive a SD Max vitamin sheet mask. So this one can be used 2 times, leaving it in the fridge for a maximum of 7 days. So what you're going to do is chop the top of your little bag here. You'll have a sheet mask inside, which you're just going to pull out. It is quite liquidy. After you've used it, you can fold it back up and pop it in the bag, folding it back over with a peg, and then pop it into the fridge. So maximum of 7 days for your next application and facial. Unfolding it carefully. You don't want to rip it. It is just a soft sheet. And if it is too wet, you can just kind of rinse it off, push it in and compress it into the bag so it's draining a bit of the serum. May look a bit funny, but it feels amazing. And then applying straight onto the face. So it's going to feel a little bit cold. So this is a great one that you can apply and then just lay in the bath for 15-20 minutes and relax with it on. You can have your cup of tea, you can lay in the bath, have a glass of wine if you like. So everyone will get a tea bag in their kit as well. So we really want you to relax and enjoy the process. After that one has been on for the 15 to 20 minutes, maximum of 30 minutes, you can remove the mask. It is going to have quite a lot of liquid still left on the skin, so we're going to massage that in and then we're going to apply the next step. So to remove, you're just going along the top and just carefully pulling down. And then you're going to fold it back up if this is your first application. Pop it back in your bag. Fold fold it down and peg it and pop it in the fridge. So you'll feel that there is quite a bit of serum still left on the skin. So what we're going to do is just massage that in. So just using the balls of your fingertips. Once that one is all massaged in, you're going to remove the excess serum. So you will need some clean water and to clean off your facial wipes. Once that is done, leaving your skin to dry for a few minutes because we're going to be moving on to step 4 of your at-home facial routine with applying your serum. So in today's kit we have the Pure Age Defiance Serum. So this one is a liquid gel formulation. So you're just wanting a pea size of this one as well. Don't massage it into your fingertips. Just apply straight on. And then you're going to just carefully massage outwards. So you can go right underneath the eyes and across the top of the eyes as well. And then just making sure to press it down onto the neck as well. You don't want to be missing that area. Any excess you can wipe onto the backs of your hands as well. They're always the first sign of aging. After you've done that, you're going to be applying your 5th step of your application, which is your Immortal Day and Night Cream. So just a pea size of this one as well. Massage into the hands and press over the skin. So you're going to feel so fresh and rejuvenated after this treatment. Super hydrating and anti-aging. Now, depending if you're doing your facial routine in the morning or at night time, I'm just going to show you some extra steps that you can add in to enhance your results. So at night time, you can use your Youth Balm. So this one is a really lovely essential oil balm. What you're going to do is just one pump of that one, applying onto the hands and then massaging in. So this is going to give you a more intense hydration while you're sleeping. It smells so good. During the day, if you're up doing your facial in the morning and then you're going to be just during the day inside or outside, you want to be applying your Mineral Pro. So we have Mineral Pro with no tint and Mineral Pro with tint. So those two are SPF 30 applications. Once you've finished your facial routine, just relax, have your cup of tea and chill out. Thank you so much for watching our at-home facial routine. If you do have any questions at all, comment below or give us an email at admin@ellehartbeauty.com. Thanks so much for watching.